Mass unfollow Twitter. 3 great reasons the simple way. Mass unfollow Twitter will enable you to unfollow several inactive users in just a single click. Sounds hassle-free? If you are a new user of any social media platform, you are wondering why there's a lot of things written on that platform and unfollowing them comes up in your mind. And yes, unfollowing them is very simple. If you are bothering about the post of your social media friend, then you might consider unfollowing them. Aside from that, there are a lot of reasons why you want to unfollow your current social media friends. And you can only notice some of these in-depth reasons if you are knowledgeable in social media marketing techniques. Similarly to how we mass delete tweets, we can learn how to do the same to follows. The only answer for your overstuffed lists of your Twitter followers usually tends the user to go directly to your Twitter followers list and unfollow them one by one. If you think that unfollowing them one at a time is tiring work and needs long hours, there is a Chrome extension that is called as Mass Unfollow Twitter that will help you to unfollow your inactive friends with just a single click. And the Chrome extension, which is the Mass Unfollow Twitter, is very self-explanatory. With a single hit on this button, the Chrome extension will help you to unfollow the Twitter accounts that you are presently following. However, the only thing that you should keep in mind is that the Mass Unfollow Twitter will only see at the actual page of Twitter. It only means that this Chrome extension cannot be accessed to the different Twitter web-based client, such as TweetDeck. We all know that hitting the unfollow button for each of your preferred Twitter friends is hard and requires more time. Most notably, if you want to unfollow numerous Twitter users. With the use of Mass Unfollow Twitter, with a single click, you can unfollow them all. Thus, you can spend more time checking your other social media accounts. The regular users of Twitter who decided to unfollow their preferred Twitter followers or following can do it easily and quickly. Users who have larger Twitter accounts with the use of the follow for follow method can easily unfollow the Twitter accounts they prefer without making too much effort. With the use of Mass Unfollow Twitter, you can unfollow some users for you to boost your follow ratio. We are all aware that Twitter is considered as one of the most popular social media platforms that will help you to connect with other users living in every corner of the world. Twitter is also an ideal tool for you to endorse your perfect content. Twitter follows limit will restrict you to have more followers and follow numerous people. For you to have the freedom to follow new and more Twitter users, the most effective way that you can do is to unfollow some of the Twitter users that are not worth following.